Hey friends, if you wish to change the screensaver timeout settings on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So it's very easy. Search for screensaver in the Windows search bar and click on change screensaver. Now we do not have a screensaver, so I will use a screensaver here. The screensaver timeout time is the wait period before the screensaver starts. Now it is ideally 2 minutes or 3 minutes, but I can change it to 5 minutes because you don't need screensavers these days. And then you can also check this button here which reads on resume display log on screen. Okay, so what does this do? When I check this box, when you resume from the screensaver, you do not enter the system itself. You enter the lock screen, and you have to enter the password. And even if it is not a lock screen, even if there's no lock, it will the login screen will still appear, and you will have to hit a key to enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.